Hey guys, Brandon with Bearded CB82. Like the title says, I've got a problem. So, well, I'll just be honest with you. It's probably been going on for a while. Who better to talk to about this than you guys out there? Now, what is my problem? I'll show you. Well, like I said, I have a problem. I noticed it when I cleaned out my truck a little while ago. Did a good, thorough cleaning on it. And my problem is inside of this bag. I'll share it with you. That's just some of what my problem was. I know a lot of you guys out there understand. You've been there. Sometimes it's not easy to cope with. But this was just the crescent wrenches, just the crescent wrenches, and some of the shackles that I had cleaned out of my truck. I mean, yeah, it's a problem, all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shackles. And that was just what was inside of my truck behind the seat. Same with one 6-inch crescent wrench, 2 6-inch crescent wrench, diamond, USA, crescent, USA, 10-inch diamond, USA, and crescent, 10-inch, USA. I mean, what do you say to a guy has all that? I've got a problem. And I know I'm not the only one out there. So, guys, let's come clean. Thanks for watching. Remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. You screw something up, somebody could die. Later, guys.